live from Staten Island.
It's the Cooking Olympics Cooking Special!
Hi, I'm your host, Adina Chefs, and you clicked on double stuffed potatoes. I know what you're thinking. Dean, this takes too long. It's a basic recipe, but you can add broccoli and cheese, no problem. Okay, let's make the double stuffed potatoes. 1954, Culinary Team USA at Bern, Switzerland. They had to keep it simple. They had potatoes, they had to get the eggs and the cream and the butter all on hand in Switzerland. So bake your potatoes, poke them before you put them in the oven, bake them for about an hour, and then when you pull them out, let them cool a little bit, cut off the tops. Then you're going to make the stuffing, put everything in the bowl, whip it up, fill the potatoes, paprika can go on top. Back in the oven and finish off baking 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.